Get him.
That's my dog eating bubbles. Doggy. Oh. Come here, Chloe.
Oh, there's one on her nose. There's one on her. Oh, it popped.
Oh, it popped. Ow! Chloe! Chloe, what are you doing? There's so many of them. Come on, Chloe. Chloe, come on. Come on, get him.
Get him.
Come here, Chloe. Oh, Chloe, come on, get him. Chloe, look up.
There's so many.
Come on. There she goes.
Funny. Yeah, I think it's enough bubbles. You're gonna make her sick.
One more.
One more big one.
Look at her. She can have fresh breath.
Whoa, big ones. All right, here you go. Oh, that's a lot. Just wait for him to come down, Chloe. They're all in me. This one especially, it won't come down. Oh, come on.
Just knock them all out.
Chloe, look up. Chloe, look. Look up.
Chloe. It's probably enough. You don't want to make her sick.
One more.
Okay. Oh, it popped in my face.
Chloe. Are you gonna get him? Oh, she gets one. That's it? Are you kidding me? And my sister actually caught one. There it is. Now oh, it's popped. Okay,
No, there's
goodbye.
still some left.
Goodbye.
No. You don't want to make her sick.
Ow!
All right, bye.